if you're going out there expecting it to make sense, it's never going to make sense.
Okay.
All right. Timber! 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Ah! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Clark Hazlett, better known as Adventure Athlete. And in today's video, my sister and I are gonna be bungee jumping down here in Bend, Oregon. As you guys can see here, we have our little camping set up because we did a little bit of a brother-sister retreat. Luckily, we had no encounters with any coyotes, but they were around our campsite a little bit yesterday. Our tent was pretty neat, as well as we slept very comfortably, courtesy of some old foam mattresses. Oh, okay, yeah, my sister wants to highlight that it's her really nice tent that she got from REI. Yeah, with that said, it's early, and we're gonna be bungee jumping here in like 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we're gonna be breaking down the campsite. We're gonna be breaking down the tent, excuse me. And yeah, we're gonna be bringing you guys along today, and hopefully I'll be bungee jumping in my football helmet. That is to be determined, so we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Yeah. Good morning, brothers. All right, guys, so it's about 2 hours later, and Kimberly and I are now pulling up at the bungee jumping location. A little bit of background on this place. It is the tallest commercial bungee jumping location in North America. There's probably some other non-commercial locations that are higher, but we're gonna be jumping off a bridge that is 300 feet above a river, and we'll be falling about 250 feet.
Do we have to like give me the details right now?
No, I'm just letting the camera know. Kimbers is ready. I don't think she's too nervous, but we shall see. Hey, your boy Adventure Athlete, I'm ready. So we are now about to get on the bridge where we are gonna be bungee jumping. Oh my goodness. All the way down there. Kimberly, how you feeling? She said, no comment. Holy. Bungee jumping down there. So this is gonna be a big adventure. Yeah.
11 minutes later.
All right, everybody, so we just got checked in, and I just got confirmation that I will be able to wear my Adventure Athlete's football helmet. So I'm pretty pumped about that. Kimbers is all locked and loaded. She's getting in the zone right now, so as y'all can see, she's pumped and she's ready to go. We're gonna go grab my helmet right now, and then we're gonna be getting ready for orientation here in a little bit. So we'll be walking you guys through orientation, and y'all will get a chance to see what it's like to get ready for a bungee jump. All right, guys, so we got the Adventure Athlete's helmet.
It's gonna be okay.
You guys are going to be participants in the sport. We're going to supply the gear so you can participate, but this jump is 100% up to you. We don't push you, we don't throw you, we don't kick you off the deck. Leaving this platform under your own power is what this is all about. This is super big, super scary. There's nothing natural about jumping off a 300-foot bridge. I've jumped off this bridge 223 times.
Whoa. It's
scary every time. If someone shows up and says they're not afraid, they're lying or something's wrong with them. I have 450 some skydives, almost 200 base jumps. I wingsuit. This is one of the scarier things I do. So just be ready for it. Even if you're feeling good here, you get harnessed up, you're like, oh, I got this. You're gonna get on the deck, you're gonna look down. I tell everyone not to look down, but everyone looks down. Primal fear is going to take over, and it's going to be scary. So be ready for it. That's what this experience is. But I really think after you do something like this, you can really apply it to other aspects of your life. You know, you can leave here today and be like, man, I'm thinking about going back to school. I don't know, I'm scared, I'm nervous. Or think about applying this new job. I'm scared, I'm nervous. Or starting my own business, or buying a house, or whatever it is, traveling someplace new. Whatever it is you have going on in your life you might want to do, but you're afraid and nervous. You can look back at this and like, wait, I overcame one of the most primal fears and jumped off a 300-foot bridge. It's okay to be afraid and nervous. What's not okay is allow that fear to stop you from doing things you want to do.
Don't let your dreams be dreams.
All right, Kimberly, talk to me. How you feeling? Pre-jump. I think you're next. All right, no worries. She's ready, ladies and gentlemen. Scale 1 to 10. Are you nervous? Are you excited? How you feeling? All right, still thumbs up, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, so they talked about the goal before you jump. Basically, Superman belly flop, jump out as far as you can. and then you're flying all the way down. So we're getting all ready here. Should be jumping here in about 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah. All right, Kimberly, you're going a little extra, huh? With the board shorts. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, she's living on the edge.
I used to have a pair exactly like those.
Living on the edge. She's getting all set up right here, about to make the big one. Ladies and gentlemen, she is ready to go. You got any last words, Kimbers?
Yay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, she's gonna send it. All right, everybody, she doesn't look too nervous. She looks like she's ready to go. Yeah, she's rocking some board shorts because her shorts are a little bit too small, and she's got this cute little pink helmet, so she's about to kill it. She might be a little nervous, I'm not sure, but we'll see it. Yeah. You got it, Kimbers.
Scared of what?
My life.
You got it, Kimbers. You got it, kid.
You're gonna jump, you're gonna love it, you're gonna come back up with a huge smile.
Do it for your brother.
3, 2, 1,
Oh!
You better.
Come on. All right. She's a little nervous.
All right, 2, 1, punch. You just broke a pinky promise.
Oh my gosh.
3, 2, 1.
Damn, I'm really bad at
You guys
this.
bring her in.
Come in here for a second.
Those butterflies in your stomach?
Yeah.
That lump in your throat, those tears in your eyes? That's what this experience is. If you're going out there expecting it to make sense,
It doesn't?
it's never going to make sense.
Okay.
If you're expecting to go out there and those feelings to go away, they're not going away. That's what this experience is. Okay? What you're experiencing is what this is. Everyone has the same thing. Everyone deals with it slightly different, but it's not going to go away. You have to do it despite all those feelings.
Okay.
Not because of it. Okay?
One more hug and I'm going.
Okay.
Let's go, Kim. You got it.
We're just going to look at the bridge. We're going to dive to that bridge. Okay?
Come on, you got it, Kim.
Let's not think about it. It's not going to make sense.
3, 2, 1.
Kim, you got to jump, kid.
Turn around for me. This is going to be
Turn here,
awesome.
yeah.
It's going to be awesome. Okay, grab my wrist. Grab my wrist. Grab my wrist. Hold, hug. Grab and tight. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is look at me. You want to look at me the whole time. Okay? Just straight legs. Look at me the whole time.
All right, everybody. She did it with a little bit of help. Shout out to everyone here at Oregon Bungee. Your boy's gonna be up here in a little bit, so we'll catch up with y'all soon. Yeah. There she is, ladies and gentlemen, making her way back up. Hey, Kimber! She did it. There she is.
How was it?
It's good.
All right, everybody, so she killed it. Big shout out to my little sister. Like I said, we're waiting now for my jump here in a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for me to get all suited up here. I got on my Gridiron Glove merchandise as well as this little GoPro that's gonna be documenting me and my face in the helmet, so we'll see how this goes.
Step in, for one leg.
So is this a chest one?
This is a full body harness. Good. And then that's an ankle strap. So you got to wear the full body with the
Oh,
ankle.
okay, that makes sense. All right, guys, so I'm all harnessed up, locked and loaded. So I'll go down.
As soon as you get weightless, grab behind your legs and hold it until it pulls you down again. Then you can straighten up again,
Okay,
whatever.
gotcha.
On the next one, it's not going to be as big. You're going to come up, and once you're kind of weightless, you're going to want to pull it up and hold the cord and stand in it.
So I'm all harnessed up. I got the ankle straps on. It's time to put on the Adventure Athlete's helmet. And it's game time, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Clark's on the bridge right now, getting ready to jump. He's doing it a little differently. He's gonna go from the ankles. So yeah, they're kind of training him on that, and I'm gonna get his jump.
Go out to the pink X, then you're going to lower that down onto your feet.
All right. So I'm all set. Damn.
GoPro's on, yeah. Make sure that's on.
Kimber! Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Ah! Yeah!
Nice jump, Clark.
We did it, ladies and gentlemen. You were here live with me on my way back up to the homeland. For all you adventure athletes out there, this one was for you guys. Big shout out to my little sister. Big shout out to everyone here at Oregon Bungee. And big shout out to Life. Yeah.
Thoughts on the jump here?
All right, everybody.
Yeah, bud.
Just successfully made the jump.
You did it, man.
That was like, compared to skydiving, a completely different feeling.
Yeah, it's
Especially like you feel like, skydiving you get more of like it's like an adrenaline craving feeling. But like this feeling's like, holy blank. You've never felt it before. And that's it. So we'll catch with you guys in a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we just wrapped up here at Oregon Bungee. Big shout out to my little sister for kicking butt. We both just successfully, as you guys saw, bungee jumped for the first time. Like I said a little bit ago, it's definitely a different feeling than skydiving. I kind of like the feeling of skydiving a little more because it felt a little more familiar, where this bungee jump, it was just a weird feeling. I was like, I did my hia, and then when I was falling, I was just like, whoa, for a sec, because I'd never felt anything like that. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Kimberly's channel. It's gonna be linked right up here. Tell us a little bit about the experience. What was it like? There it is, folks. You heard it. We're gonna be headed back all the way up to Portland. So it's definitely a good, fun little brother-sister road trip retreat. Probably gonna be wrapping up the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for showing love and support. Your boy just successfully bungee jumped with his football helmet on, with his sister, the new adventure athleta. Yeah, we'll be catching up with you guys in a couple days. Yeah.